Welcome back, my dear student, on my YouTube channel uniquestudy.com. Today we are talking and discussing about the second part of the chapter, the untrained mathematician, and this chapter has been taken from the class 8. Okay, so in the previous video you have to know about that the beginning of the Sri Srinivas Ramanujam, and how can he struggled with her life, and how can he lost his scholarship to interest of the only one subject, and that subject was the maths. And now we are talking about the and next he did not concentrate in her subject other subject, and he became fail in the other subject, and in the beginning he failed in English, and after that FA, it means fellow of arts. And it is the create problem. He is untrained person and he had no qualification, so he did not get any jobs, and this condition became very poor for him. But he has a beautiful skill to solve the complicated mathematics questions, and he complicated theorem and formulas. Okay, and the friends also arranged him to meet influential men who support him finally. And what will happen in the next, we know in the next paragraph. Okay, so let's begin the video. In the year 1911, Ramanujan's first paper was published in the Journal of a Indian Mathematical Society. Okay, he did not offer any proof for his theorem, perhaps because he saw no need for them. Mentally worked out equations and leading directly to the results. The next year, nudged by a friend, he applied for a job with a Madras Port Trust. Okay, and 3 weeks later, beginning 1 March 1912, Ramanujan was worked as a clerk at the salary of 30 rupees per month. So you can see here in the 1911, okay, the year of 1911, Ramanujan first paper was uh, published in the news Journal of Indian Mathematical, okay, Society. It is the newspaper name Journal of Indian Mathematical Society, and it is the first time when the Ramanujan's first paper will published was published in that news. Okay, and he did not offer any proof for his theorem. It means he has solved many questions, and he has no any proof for his theorem. Okay, he has solved a complicated question, but he has no any theorem. Why? Because he saw that he had no need for them. Okay, no need for them, and mentally working out equation. Okay, he only think about the question and he solve that. He think about mentally working. Okay, not on a paper. He working mentally, and he solved the equation and leading directly to the result, and he leading directly the result, and this is the very complicated for the her, and publisher is also confused. So the next years, nagged by a friend, he applied for a job with the Madras Port Trust. Okay, and after that, when he not succeed that publishing, so he doing searching another job, and her friend suggested him, and he applied for a job with the Madras Port Trust. Okay, the next job of the Ramanujan was Madras Port Trust. Okay, and 3 weeks later, beginning 1st March 1912, Ramanujan was working as a clerk at salary of 30 rupees per month as Narayan Lear, the manager of a Madras port. Okay, and here when he working in the there, it means Madras Port Trust. 3 weeks later, it means after the 3 weeks, the 1 March 1912, Ramanujan was working as a clerk. Okay, after 3 weeks, the manager of the port become very surprised to conclusion of the him, and he promoted him as the salary of 30 rupees. Okay, 30 rupees is enough for that time. And this accident will happen on 1 March 1912, so 30 rupees enough for that time. So he promoted in the clerk post, and his salary was 30 rupees per month. Okay, and as Narayan Layer, the manager of the Madras Port Trust, and his boss. Okay, he showing the trust, and he was the boss, was member of the mathematical society. And one thing is very important for the very happy information for the Srinivas Ramanujan. Why, what yani what means it, the manager of the trust and his boss was a member of mathematical society. Okay, he is already member of mathematical society. And what will happen next with the Ramanujan now had a S Narayan layer to advise him. Okay, it means now the S Narayan layer advise him how to explain to the Ramanujan that his habit of the merging many steps would not be easy for others to understand. Okay, he persuaded Ramanujan to at least add a few more in between, so that his approach could be explained. It means here is the manager. It means manager means her his boss S Narayan also explained how to solve the question, how to make his formulas and theorem, to explain it step by step. Okay, and if your theorem is easy to understand of the other person, that will be very good for you. Okay, and he also tell him about that he persuaded Ramanujan to add a few more in between, so that his approach could be explained. Okay, his approach will could be explained. Okay, and then Ramanujan wrote to G.H. Hardy, a mathematical at Cambridge. Okay, and after that he understanding the method of the writing theorem, uh, Ramanujan wrote a letter, Mr. G.H. Hardy, that was the a great mathematician at the Cambridge. Okay, and you can see here the letter of the Ramanujan, and in the figure you can see the image of Ramanujan. So we have to read about the letter of Ramanujan. He has enough knowledge to write a letter in English, but he failed in English in the beginning. So let's read the letter of Ramanujan, that written by the Ramanujan to the G.S. Hardy. Okay, and he write the in the beginning he write the place name Madras, and he writes the letter on 16 January 1913, and he write respectively. He says that I beg to introduce myself to you as a clerk in the accounts department of the Port Trust Office at Madras on a salary of $20. Okay, he explained about his condition and all information that is the necessary for the G.S. Hardy. Okay, and Anna means, here is the word Anna means big brother. Okay, so he use the Anna word, that is the that is means the big brother. And this type of the words, this type of the language used in the Tamil Nadu. Okay, I am now about 23 years old of age. It means he tell about his age, and I have had no university education, but I have undergone the ordinary school course. After leaving school, I have been employing the spare time at my disposal to work at mathematics. It means he explained it before that he has no any qualification, he has no any degree, but he take a he take a primary education or ordinary, he joined the ordinary school and complete the ordinary course. Okay, and after the leaving school he tell about that he take a spare time to solve the mathematics and he working hard on the mathematics. And I have no, I have not traded through the conventional regular course which is followed in a university course, but I am striking out a new path for myself. I have made a special investigation of the divergent series in general, and the result I get are termed by the local mathematician as a Starling. Okay, so Ramanujan here tell about the specialty of his worth, and he tell that he has no any degree and he do not follow any university, but if I am striking out a new path for myself, I have made a special investigation, a divergent series in a general, and the result I get are termed by the local mathematician and Starling. Okay, I would request you to go through the enclosed papers. Being poor, if you are convinced that there is anything of value, I would like to have my theorem published. So next Ramanujan requested to the Mr. Heidi, first you I gave you some of the theorem in the enclosed papers, and when you are convinced to seeing my theorem and give the value, any value, then I wanted to say that I would like to have my theorem published. Okay, I have not given the actual investigations nor expressions that I get, but I have indicated the lines on which I proceed. Being inexperienced, I would very highly value any advice you give me, requesting to be excused for the trouble I gave you. Okay, I remaining dear sir, your truly S. Ramanujan. So here is the Ramanujan wanted that his theorem and formula are published in a by the university, and if the G.S. Hardy is talking to the member of the mathematician society, then it will be possible. So he requested to the Mr. Hardy to see the theorem that includes the paper, and if he get it a good, then he tell me. And in the last he says to Mr. Hardy that he was inexperienced person. Okay, so being inexperienced, he would highly value any advice you, if you give any advice for my formulas or theorem, then tell me and I will follow your all the advice and advice. Okay, advice and requesting to the excused for the trouble. Okay, and he also in the last he also says to that he wanted to, he is extremely sorry to trouble him. Okay, and next he tell him that. Okay, so I think you all understand about this, and the next video we have to read about the next topic. So this chapter is very big, and there are three letters that written by the Ramanujan, and then in the next video we have to read about the second letter. Okay, so now thank you for the watching video. We meet in the next video.